So that is the glass tunnel that you walk through on the ground floor. So now we're on top of the tunnel.
Wala na kayo dyan.
Hindi natin nakita.
Ah, this one, the
And
tunnel.
yes, and that's a leopard stingray down there.
Diba ka ako?
Oh my God, uyo. Kaya pala may dagat. Ay, ay. Tumunog.
Stingray we have, and it's called a leopard stingray.
It's alive, ah?
Leopard. Leopard
Leopard.
stingray, yeah.
I mean, it's
Nagtatago
alive.
siya.
It is alive, yes. But when they want to rest, they'll go on the surface like you can see.
Yeah.
Then they'll put sand on their bodies.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But later he will come up.
Ayun. Bongga. Ay, plastic. Ay, totoo. Totoong halaman.
There is one shop on the floor. On the floor.
On the floor.
That is a leopard sorry, a zebra shark.
Oy, zebra shark daw.
Yeah, the
Oh.
one on the floor. So if you look, let me see if this guy will come. Sorry, can you look up there? He's coming down here.
Ayun o, zebra shark.
Where is he? Where did he go? I don't know where he went. I wanted to show you the big fish that we have. That's gone. Left.
Baby shark do 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 do. Baby shark do 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 do.
Oh,
Parking na tayo. Ay. And
Baby
this is the
turtle.
plastic which came out of their stomach.
Ah,
oh.
They were eating this. So why you guys think why they will eat plastic? Something like this. Why they will eat?
Maybe they are hungry.
no, not see the ay
Because they think it's a jellyfish.
kumakain silang
And
jellyfish. Malay pa
jellyfish
namin
is the
jellyfish
favorite
yung
food of sea turtle.
jellyfish. Why this one? Agar.
This
same
one
like
they think
jellyfish.
it's a seagrass.
That has
This
plastic.
one.
Yeah,
This one think pepper.
maybe.
Kaya very small.
So
tiny.
this plastic, this is our actions.
Gaya, baka nandito
They
yung
have to
nawawala
face
mong
the
anak.
consequences of that.
Mose? Bye-bye.
Oh, ang daming na rescue.
So, do you know how to identify the shark if it's male or female?
No.
Okay. So don't go in the water to check, okay? When you go to the aquarium only. So you have to check for this part. Okay? These are called claspers.
What's that?
So this male has claspers. Female, they don't have this part. They have clocus.
Ah.
Okay?
So that's male.
So
The
this
big
is a
one.
male. Yes. So if you see shark with this part, that's a male. If you don't see this, that's a female.
That's the male. Okay, now we know.
Claspers.
Huwag na siya, kaya ako
400
lady.
different
Male
species
ako.
of sharks. Okay, in the world. But only few sharks can go from sea to river and they can survive in the river also.
Ah,
Okay, so
river.
we can find
Salt water
sharks-
and
Fresh water.
fresh water.
Only few sharks can go. One of them is the bull shark.
Ay, wow, lettuce. Pechay. This
is all
one,
the food
food
we are-
for
our animals here.
all.
Especially for the African manatee.
Pechay lang pala. Pechay, Chinese pechay.
After 80 days,
Huwag na yan.
you will get baby sharks.
Ay, baby shark, hello. This one. American, ano ba to, yung lahi. Ay, ang landi. Wow, he's happy.
Yeah, he came out of.
Yeah,
the
what's
egg.
that?
Visitor.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Wala na.
Wala na, nag-ano lang
So
siya,
this is Arabian
welcome.
carpet shark. They are near-threatened species, means their population is getting less very fast. So we will breed them here, and we have a future project.
Shark
to release them
egg.
to ocean.
How many months before you release them?
They will grow 80 centimeters maximum. Maximum. So 40 to 50 centimeters.
More than
Yeah.
every year.
These were also rescued. These are called hawksbill sea turtles. But now they are perfectly fine. Soon they will be going back to the ocean.
Ay, para siyang cartoon character talaga siya. No? You have Abu Dhabi turtle?
Abu Dhabi turtle. This is you can say Emirati turtle.
Emeritus.
Because they lay eggs here in UAE.
Yeah.
Hawksbill. Careful.
We cannot go inside.
Ayoko.
That's okay. I will explain you. So this
Gusto
is our
mo
professor.
makatay ka?
He's perfectly fine. This is the Asian monitor lizard, second biggest lizard in the world after
Ah,
Komodo
lizard. Butiki lang yan.
dragon. So this guy,
Grabe naman kalaki.
he's perfectly fine. This is his home where he lives, and he's here for meet and greet. So you can buy ticket to go inside to meet him.
May ticket, matras kayo, no?
Every day 3:30 p.m. only. He's perfectly safe because he was born and raised in the human care. So he's very.
You don't know
close
how to
the
eat meat. Eating meat.
Vegetables.
He eats, but you know, he don't know how to hunt because
Ah.
since baby he's here.
Ah. Yung mga estudyante. Ano naman? Adults. Ala, kawawa naman yung kinain isda. Only one? He's lonely. Ay, ayun pa isa. Sana all may jowa.
So that's a female green sea turtle, and there are 7 species of sea turtle in the world, and they live the longest. Green sea turtle live for 100 years.
Ah,
But
wow.
out of 1,000 eggs, only one will reach this age. Rest everyone,
Ah.
they die before becoming an adult.
Red carpet pa, oh. Dito ka, Day, red carpet. Red carpet. Sosyalan. Parang walang kaaway. Ang daming lokal. Lugar to ng mga lokal, no?
Parang silang mga check out.
Ay, shit. Ang daming ano. Parang tayo lang yung Pilipino dito. Ayan ka na naman. Taka, disgrasya ka talaga. Parang tayo lang yung ano. Para lang tayong punggus dito. Puro puro sila quality, kapatid.
Trabaho sa aquarium, no? Tayo lang dito. Tayo lang gumawa.
Grabe. Para tayong yaya, no? Parang day of life.
Tayo yung ano,
Mayaman.
iba tayo mayaman.
Ah, mayaman ba?
Oo, tayo yung puro lokal. Tayo lang yung Pilipinas.
Puro, grabe. Para lang tayo para tayong rejected. Sila yung quality na tao.
Punggos.
Malayong lugar na to, pero dinadayo pa rin, no?
Ganda pala dito, no?
Oo. Sarap magkape-kape. Ano may kape? Isang swelduhan na yan. Kalahating buong sweldo. May patren-tren pa sila, oh. Ay.